Hi, let's talk about routines. Routines are the actions which we do again and again. These are regular actions. So, these are some actions which we may do every day, every year, every week, maybe once in 1,000 years also. So, a routine has nothing to do with past, present, or future. It is something which we do as a matter of regularity. It's a routine action and it happens again and again. Now, when we talk of routines, we use sentences like, I wake up at 7, I celebrate my birthday with my friends. Now, celebrating your birthday is a once a year event, and even then, it is a routine. I play football every weekend. Now, it's once a week, so it is not necessarily things which you do every day. The important thing is that it's a regular activity. And a point to note is that when we speak of routines and general facts, we use the action word in its basic form. A very common mistake which learners make is that they use words like will or ing forms or past forms when speaking about routines. This is a mistake and you have to be careful about that. So please use words like sing, dance, play, run, talk, have, but never in the will or the ing form. Now, what about questions? When we talk about questions, we have to add the word do in the routine. When do you wake up? When do you play cricket? Where do you live? How do you make videos? How do you bake a cake? So you can use any of the question words, any of the WH words, or how or why words. But the important thing is we need to add the word do when we make a question. If you recall, there was no do in the positive statement. So the point to note is the word combination of do and you when I want to ask your routines. Now, what about negative sentences? Now, when we make a negative sentence, we have to add the word do. I do not sing in the bathroom. I do not play chess. And do not is good, but in spoken English, we often contract this word to don't. I don't play chess. I don't fight dragons. So remember, when we make a negative sentence, we add do. When we make a question, we add do. Now, sometimes questions have just yes or no answers. For example, do you like pizza? So the short answer is yes, I do. Whereas a long answer would be yes, I like pizza. So in a short positive answer, we can add the word do. Or in a negative answer, no, I don't. So the point to remember is do is used in questions, in short positive answers, and in negative answers. Now we've learned a lot about talking about routines when we talk of the person in front of us. Here's a practice quiz for you. Click on the link and do it. After that, we'll talk about routines involving other people. All the best for your quiz. See you soon.